Let us understand the definition of random variable. So random variable is a function. It is not a variable. It is a function which maps sample points of random experiment to real numbers. So random variable is a function which maps set 1 to set 2. So what is set 1 here? Set 1 consists of the outputs of the random experiment. So this is fixed, that in set 1 there are only the outputs of the random experiment, and in set 2 there are real numbers. So it maps set 1 inputs to set 1 points to set 2 points, and x lambda is a random variable which is a function that is defined. On that definition, this mapping occurs. So let us see one example. So random experiment is one whose outcomes are random, which is called random experiment. For example, tossing two fair coins. If you toss two fair coins, output are fixed, which is TT, TH, HT, HS. Two tails, one tail, one head, one tail, two heads. But these outcomes are all although fixed, but their occurrence is random. When you toss the coin, you may get TT, you may get TH, you may get HT, you may get HH. Okay, so that's why this experiment is called random experiment. So set one in random variable mapping is fixed, which is random experiment output. Random experiment output. These are the outcomes which are called sum. So this set, which includes the random experiment output, which are called sample points, is called sample space. So lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4 are called sample points. These sample points are variables as well as random. So this random and variable connect to sample points lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4. It does not have any significance with this x lambda. Random because sample points are random as well as they are variables. So what does the random variable does? It maps these values to the real numbers. For that you have to define the random variable. Here random variable define is a number of tails in the random variable, is a random variable. So number of tails in the outcome or in the sample points. So how many number of tails are there? 2. Here 1, here 1, here 0. So 2 1 1 0 is a random variable, has is the function random variable which maps these lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4 to 2 1 1 0. So this is the definition of random variable.